Aunt Fran, you're short. I think you're shrinking. I'm here with Aunt Fran, and Aunt Fran's gonna do an unboxing for you all. Aunt Fran, I got you a BFC. Do you know what a BFC is?
No, I don't, Dale.
A BFC. It's a big fucking clock. What'd you hit me for? Come on, let's unbox it.
You're big.
Yes, go ahead.
Big.
It's a BFC.
Come on, you're gonna make me go to bed.
Aunt Fran unboxing the BFC. Here it is, folks.
How the hell are you opening it?
I don't know, just open that thing from China. Or maybe it's upside down. Flip it over.
This one?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay.
Can you figure it out? No, yeah, there you go. Slide that thing out. Okay, I think it's upside down. Let's, yeah, there you go. All right, you chuck that aside. Okay, there it is, BFC. Go ahead, open up the, look at that.
Oh, wow, wow.
Isn't that nice?
Beautiful.
And you know what's good? It not only gives you the clock, it's big, it also gives you the date and the day, so you'll never forget what...
How the frick did you get it out?
We'll have to give it a good yank with all that Chinese air. All right, I'll put the camera down and help you out. Don't bust it. All right, hang on a second while I get the BFC out. Nice.
Don't you want to join us?
Ina, you want to help us?
Come on.
You're in the movies. You're in the movies.
No, I'm not a TV person.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
Ina's been helping Aunt Fran.
I'm not.
Okay, you'll be a celebrity though. Okay, Aunt Fran, I just turned on the new BFC.
It's beautiful, Al.
Is that now? You never.
So beautiful.
You're always gonna know what month it is, what day it is, what day of the week, and that is one big fucking clock. Yeah, that's big. There you have it. The unboxing of a BFC with Aunt Fran. More to come. Stay tuned. Do you like that?
I love it. I love it.
You can wear it on your wrist too.
Really?
No, I'm just joking. I also got Aunt Fran the Philips Lifeline system, so she's going to be wearing one of those magic pendants if she falls and she can't get up. Here's the unboxing and install. Well, it's already unboxed, but I'm going to press the buttons and power it up and see how this thing installs. So there it is, the Philips Lifeline device. And there should be a... Let's boot this thing. Okay.
Welcome to Lifeline. We will now help you set up your communicator step by step. If you miss a step, wait and the instruction will repeat. Please find your quick setup guide located in the box to follow along. When you have the quick setup guide in front of you, press the blinking reset bar.
Okay. Yes, blinking reset bar. This is only done once, Aunt Fran, don't worry.
Thank you. First, we will place your communicator in the correct spot near both a phone jack and a power outlet.
I did it.
See step 1 in the setup guide. Press the blinking reset when you are ready to continue.
Are you Siri? Maybe Apple stole it from these guys and they should give Samsung back some money.
Good. We detect power. Please press the blinking reset bar to continue. Good. Your communicator is now plugged in. You may now press the blinking reset bar to continue.
This is like Bop It. Bop It.
Next, we will plug your phone into the back of the Lifeline communicator if necessary.
I did it, Siri.
Refer to step 4 in the guide.
Rhymes with whore.
Please press the blinking reset bar to continue.
All right, well, let me just make sure the phone's working. We have dial tone. Bop It.
Now we will test the range of your help button in various rooms of your home. Please refer to step 5 in your setup guide. Press the reset bar when you are ready to begin your range test.
Okay, Aunt Fran, go get the pendant. This is a very ceremonial process here now. The placement of the pendant around her neck. There it is, the Lifeline pendant and Lifeline. No, this is it's Lifeline from Philips, and that's waterproof, so that stays on you when you take a shower, okay? Or when you use the hot tub with those 8 strippers from the club, yeah, all right. So yeah, so go ahead, put it on. There it is.
Isn't it gorgeous?
It's gorgeous. It's hitting up against the Jesus Christ around your neck. Do you have that on your neck still?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So Jesus is hanging out with Phillips right now. They're the buddies. Okay. Let's. It's going to do a range test now. All right. They're going to check the range. So we have to bop it.
Begin button range test. Please press the blinking reset bar after you have completed your range test.
Okay. Aunt Fran, hit the button.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a button on there. You see it? Turn it around. The other side. Yeah, that's the button.
This
Press.
is the button.
Yeah. Press. Okay, so that means that it worked. Okay. Now it should, because we're right next to the freaking thing. You know.
I'm gonna go inside.
Right. Yeah. Moving to go into the bathroom now. Hit it. Good. All right, so we got the whole house covered. Okay, so no matter where she is, she can hit the little button, and LifeCall knows that she's around. So we're going to bop it and continue. Bop it.
Thank you. We have now finished setting up your communicator. Congratulations. Please press the personal help button that you wear to send your first call to Lifeline. A personal response associate will welcome you and answer any of your questions.
And for now, it's going to do a live. It's going to actually call them now and test the service.
Your welcome call is now being dialed. Please wait.
That's the lunch.
Maybe they fell and they can't get up. Let's see, if I had a stroke, I'm losing a lot of brain cells right now.
Mm-hmm.
Hello? I'm dying here.
Should I try again? No.
Maybe I didn't pay the bill. I still have to call them and give them all your medical history.
Mm-hmm.
Is it okay if I tell them that you must receive a barium enema if they come?
What do I need that for?
Hey, it can't hurt.
Your help call is in progress. Please wait. Your help call is in progress. Please wait.
Okay, first time. Like I said, they're setting you up in the system.
Your help call is in progress. Please wait.
Let's see. Your left arm is numb by now. You've lost the frontal lobe of your brain due to deoxygenation. I hope the real one runs faster. Gee, I hope they're not sending the cops right now.
I told you they're having lunch. It's 2 o'clock now. They're not finished.
And Fran, can you say the phrase, I've fallen and I can't get up? Just like, come on, say it, just like in the commercial.
No,
come on, just say, come on, say it once.
No, I'm falling and I can't get up.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh, God.
Your help call is in progress. Please wait.
I'm waiting.
Your help call is in progress.
Another roll
Please
call.
wait.
Another roll call.
I think it's doing like a
Your help call
rotary
is in
dial.
progress.
Mm-hmm.
Please wait.
It's doing a rotary dial, like back in the Stone Age.
Up there on here.
I think I plugged it in right.
She's telling us they're ready.
Yeah.
When?
It looks pretty, like a Christmas tree.
It does, yes.
I guess if it blinks fast, it can give you a seizure.
Yeah, I was just going to say I'll be dead by
You know, it's still going to be quicker than me coming over a half hour later. I guess it's probably better just to call Rose like you did last time. Rose, I'm not feeling good. All right, Phillips, hello. Gee, what's the deal?
They're having lunch.
We're getting a bit of a tech fail
The phone
here.
is off the hook.
It's off the hook?
Please check other phones in your home.
Oh, come
My
on.
phone is off the hook.
All right, we're gonna have to do a diagnostic test. Let me check. Jesus is not off the hook.
The one. How about the one in the other bedroom?
No, I got a dial tone here. Now I don't have a dial tone. I had a dial tone before. All right, we'll check this. Okay, here's the bottom line. I plugged it in wrong. All right, I had the jack going to the regular phone and it mixed in with the wall jack or whatever. Tech fail. My mistake. Okay. Aunt Fran,
Yes.
now we're live. Go ahead and hit the button. This is going to call them. Go ahead.
Your welcome call is now being dialed. Please wait.
Here we go. So this is like a live emergency now, but they know this is your first time. You're in the computer system. And you're going to hear someone, I assume, say, hello. Okay. Hang on.
Your call has been connected. Someone will be right with you.
Okay, it worked.
Francis Ambrosio, this is James from Humana Incorporated. Do you need help?
Hi, no, this is a first-time setup. I'm with my aunt. How are you?
I'm alright, how are you?
Very good, thank you. I have a number to call with her account to give all the medicine and whatnot. We just wanted to test the system. So everything is up and functioning?
Yeah, everything does look good here, and I do want to take this chance to welcome you all to Humana Incorporated. That first test did come in successfully, and anytime that you need help, even if she does fall, press the button anytime, and we'll be right there for you.
Thank
Terrific.
you. Thank you.
Great. And can you just confirm the address you have in your system there for her?
Sure, it's in Florida.
Right.
Yes.
And if you ever have any questions regarding the service at all, we're here 24/7. You can just push the button anytime, and we'll answer that right away.
Terrific.
Thank you.
All right, is there anything else I can help with today?
Any other questions, Aunt Fran?
No, I think that's fine.
Okay,
Yes.
and have you sent in a list of your responders yet, or?
I'm going to do that. I have a number I can call with her account number, so I'm going to be doing that probably later on this evening.
Okay, I can take that information now for you if you'd like.
I don't. I have it on my computer. So,
not a problem, then.
so when I get home, and I'm setting her up with a lockbox, so I'll get all that information on file tonight.
Okay, sounds good. All right, I'll go ahead and reset the system now then, since all is clear, and you both have a great day.
Great.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Okay.
Bye bye. Okay, Aunt Fran, you're all set.
Yippee!
And like I said, if you're not feeling well, you don't have to worry. Just hit the button, and they'll dispatch.
Okay, if I get lonely, do they come?
Yeah. I don't know if you can order up any strippers with that, but
No. Not interested.
and there you have it. The Philips Lifeline system successfully installed.
Love you.
You're short.
I know.
She's
He can see
shrinking.
how he knocks me, but I love him anyway.
They're good. More to come. Stay tuned. This is Alfred from Alfred.tv with Aunt Fran.
Oh, that's beautiful. Not coming on. Huh?
Say hello. Can I speak to the
Hello?
operator? Can I speak to the
Are
operator?
you there?
All right, knock it off.
Welcome to Alfred.tv.